Okay. I'm Jerry Abner. I'm a President and CEO of Advanced Service Technologies. We're here at the show, and we've been around longer pretty much than any of our other competitors out there. We've been in business for about 23 years, and we do a lot of digital signage. We do networking, and we have a lot of large retail customers as well as a lot of digital signage customers. A lot of the signage that you see out here today, we do a lot of that kind of installation with respect to the healthcare industry and outdoor signage as well. So essentially, that is kind of it in a nutshell in terms of what we do. We have a large database of about 3,500 field engineers that we provide nationwide in Canada, and we have the ability to get those technicians out to those sites in many SLAs in about 4 hours. So that's really what differentiates us, along with the fact that the majority of the technicians that we have out there have been with us for about 20 years. So thank you very much, and I appreciate the time. If you would like to contact us at our website, it is www.astservice.com. Thank you.